Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Magic Talk Show, the education podcast channel that helps students and professionals to build successful career by learning about leadership, management skills, entrepreneurship, and build a growth mindset to stand out in their career journey. In our exclusive series called Kitab Shala, we have creatively curated 7 lessons in 7 minutes from the incredible life transforming books which will put you and your success on fast forward mode. Each nugget of wisdom is like golden key unlocking the doors to personal and professional transformation. This format of 7 lessons in 7 minutes, which help you to digest the toughest lessons learning from the book with fun and joyous experience. Come and join us in this movement. If you want a weekly dose of motivation through self-help books, do follow our Magic Talk Show podcast and press the bell icon to stay updated on our podcast release on every Thursday and Sunday. Also, don't forget to rate our episode if you like it. Today, in this episode, we will uncover a book called The Mountain Is You by Brianna Wiest, which is a valuable resource for any seeking to transform their mindset and cultivate a more fulfilling and authentic life. The Mountain Is You by Brianna Wiest is like a helpful friend guiding you through a journey of self-discovery and growth. It compares our inner selves to a mountain, showing how what's inside us affect our outside world. The book is a kind of a smart giving advice on facing problems, accepting changes, and discovering your own inner power. It's like a roadmap to becoming a stronger version of yourself with a mountain as a metaphor of personal development. The author approach is caring and full of understanding, making it easy for the readers to connect with the wisdom shared in the book. It's not just a book, it's a companion cheering you on to navigate life's challenges and find strength within yourself. Here are the 7 amazing lessons from this book. Number 1, embracing self-responsibility. The author urges readers to embrace self-responsibility as a crucial step in the personal growth. The book links our lives to a mountain, emphasizing that much like the landscape we navigate, we possess the ability to influence our own journey. Author underscores the importance of acknowledging and taking responsibility for our choices, highlighting that this self-awareness is akin to charting our own course up the metaphorical mountain. By fostering accountability, readers are empowered to shape their path deliberately. The book becomes a guide encouraging individuals to embark on the transformative journey towards the self-empowerment where acknowledging and owning one's decision lays the foundation for the personal growth. Lesson 2. Navigating change as growth. This book acknowledges the inevitable presence of change and position it as a pivotal element for the personal growth. The author challenges readers to shift their perspective on change, urging them to seek it as the catalyst for the positive transformation. The book serves as a guide, helping readers navigate life's twists and turns with resilience and adaptability. By encouraging an embrace of the transformative nature of change, author empowers readers to find strength in the face of life's challenges. The metaphor of the mountain becomes a symbol for the resilience, illustrating that, like a mountain adapting to the weather and time, individuals can thrive by embracing changes as the fundamental aspect of their personal journey. Lesson 3. Facing the internal shadows. It dwells into the idea of confronting an internal shadows, those hidden facets of ourselves that might hinder our progress. The book offers valuable insights into the importance of recognizing and embracing these shadow aspects. By encouraging readers to acknowledge and integrate these elements, the author promotes self-awareness as a crucial step in the journey of personal evolution. The metaphorical exploration of an internal shadow is akin to climbing the mountains of self discovery, where facing and understanding these hidden aspects become a transformative process. Ultimately, authors' approach underscore the significance of self reflection and acceptance, fostering a path towards personal growth and development. Lesson 4: The Power of Perspective. The author highlights the power of perspective in shaping our life's experiences. The author emphasizes that by altering our viewpoint, readers can discover a new solution to challenges and attain a deeper understanding of themselves. The book serves as a practical guide, providing tools to help cultivate a positive and empowering perspective. Much like the challenging landscape of a mountain, West encourages readers to adapt their outlook, seeing challenges as opportunities for growth. Through the metaphor of mountains, the author illustrates how a shift in the perspective can transform the journey of self discovery, offering readers practical wisdom to navigate life's ups and downs with resilience and optimism. Lesson 5: Learn to differentiate between intuition and intrusive thoughts. Our mind is a powerful tool. Most often than not, our subconscious knows what's best for us and it seeks the things our spirit desires without us noticing. However, if we try to listen to it, we might get confused and receive mixed signals because as we seek comfort, some of our thoughts may also come from fear and not just intuitions. So, how can we tell which one are good and which one are bad? Is there a filter we can use? The short answer is yes. You can tell the difference by feeling your thoughts. If they are calm, make sense, and sound rational, and don't make you feel panic by starting a spiral of negativity thoughts and overthinking, they come from intuition. If they create more problem, remain stuck in your head but not in your gut, and you feel them coming from poorer version, the smaller you feel the afraid and anxious, they are intrusive thoughts. You don't want to listen to those as they'll get you nowhere in life. Lesson 6: Letting go of attachments. The Mountain is You dwell into the liberating concepts of letting go of attachments to outcome, people, and circumstances. The author offers insights into the freedom that accompanies the act of releasing these attachments. The book becomes a guide, providing readers with valuable perspectives on moving forward, unburdened, and open to new possibilities. Using the metaphor of the mountain, the author illustrates how shedding unnecessary weight allows you for a more effortless ascent. By encouraging readers to release the attachments, the author empowers them to embrace change and navigate their personal journeys with greater flexibility. The author's approach emphasizes the transformative nature of letting go, fostering a sense of liberation and creating space for new and enriching experiences. Lesson 7: Living Authentically. This book inspires readers to live authentically, staying true to their values and aspirations. The book serves as a guiding light, offering insights into aligned actions with core belief to create a life that reflects one's authentic self. The author encourages individuals to embark on a journey of self-discovery and authenticity, using the metaphor of the mountain to symbolize the action towards living in harmony with one's true nature. By providing guidance on navigating this path, the book becomes a valuable resource for those seeking to lead a life that is genuine and aligned with their innermost convictions. Author's wisdom fosters a sense of purpose, a fulfillment as the readers strive to live authentically in the world that often calls for the self discovery and staying true to oneself. Ladies and gentlemen, and that's a wrap. We just zipped through the key lessons from the book The Mountain is You in just under 7 minutes. The author Brianna West metaphorically exploration of the mountain serves as a metaphorical roadmap for the navigation of life challenges and finding strengths within. See, I told you, you don't need to be a book expert to enjoy this. We have made it short and sweet in Kitab Shala. In the next episode, we will cover insights from the book Do It Today, which is a pragmatic and a motivational guide for those looking to overcome the procrastination and enhance their productivity. Thank you.